shit on TikTok. I love your big titty, the way they go flip flop. I've been doing molly, I've been body, yeah. I feel like LeBron, no way I'm buying you. See you one of the bitches, damn, blinding me. I be all there.